Welcome to our channel, PTC Creo. In this video we will learn Sweep Blend, so watch video until the end. To start Blend first we will make a sketch. Learn the ultimate sweep blender technique in Creo Parametric to take your 3D modeling skills to the next level. Mastering this technique will allow you to create complex shapes and models with ease. In this video, we'll dive into the world of Sweep Blender and explore its capabilities, benefits, and best practices. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced engineer, this tutorial is designed to help you unlock the full potential of Creo Parametric and take your design skills to new heights. So, what are you waiting for? Hit the play button and let's get started. Subscribe my channel for more videos and share with friends. Leave a comments for this video. Thanks for watching.